How the rich invest their money. Hello, fellow enthusiasts of financial wisdom. Today, we embark on an enlightening journey into the world of investments, specifically focusing on how the wealthy invest their hard-earned fortunes. Join us as we uncover the secrets and strategies in How the Rich Invest Their Money. Diversification. One key strategy adopted by the wealthy is diversifying their investments. Diversification involves spreading investments across various assets like stocks, real estate, bonds, and commodities. By doing so, they mitigate risks and aim for more stable and consistent returns. Real estate investments. Real estate is a cornerstone of many wealthy investors' portfolios. Owning properties, whether commercial or residential, provides rental income and potential appreciation in value. Real estate investments offer long-term financial security and stability. Stock market investments. Investing in the stock market is another common approach. The wealthy carefully select stocks based on thorough research and market analysis. They often focus on blue-chip companies with a proven track record, aiming for long-term growth and dividends. Private equity and venture capital. High net worth individuals often invest in private companies through private equity and venture capital firms. These investments offer potential for high returns, but they require a keen understanding of the market and a higher tolerance for risk. Hedge funds. Hedge funds, known for their sophisticated investment strategies, are also a part of wealthy individuals' portfolios. Hedge funds are managed by professionals who aim to generate substantial returns, albeit at a higher level of risk. Fixed income investments. Fixed income investments, such as government and corporate bonds, provide a stable and predictable income stream. Wealthy investors often allocate a portion of their portfolio to bonds to balance risk and pursue consistent returns. Alternative investments. The wealthy explore alternative investments like commodities, precious metals, art, and collectibles. These investments can act as hedges against inflation and add diversification to their portfolio, potentially yielding significant profits. Philanthropic ventures. Many affluent individuals engage in philanthropic endeavors. Donating to charitable causes or establishing foundations allows them to give back to society while also managing their tax liabilities. Professional financial advisors. Lastly, it's important to highlight that the wealthy often seek guidance from financial advisors. These experts provide valuable insights and help tailor investment strategies to meet their financial goals and risk tolerance. The road to financial success. In summary, the wealthy deploy a multifaceted investment approach, leveraging diversification, real estate, stocks, private equity, and more. Their financial acumen, combined with strategic advice from professionals, propels them toward lasting financial success. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the realm of wealth and investment strategies. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.